Begin by launching PowerPoint on your computer. This initial step opens the program so you can begin working on your presentation. Once PowerPoint is up and running, locate and open the presentation you want to work on. This is important because it ensures you are editing the correct file and can see the changes as you make them. After your presentation is open, move your attention to the toolbar where you will find the Insert tab. The Insert tab contains many useful options that allow you to add various elements to your slide, and today it will help you insert mathematical equations. When you click on the Insert tab, look around until you see the option labeled Equation. This selection is specifically designed for adding mathematical content directly into your slide. Once you click on Equation, you will be presented with a range of pre-formatted equations. This selection of equations is designed to meet a variety of common needs, offering a quick and easy method for including standard mathematical expressions. Take a moment to review the options available to ensure you find one that best suits your particular requirement for the equation you need. If you do not find a pre-formatted equation that exactly matches your needs, there is an alternative method available to you. You have the option to draw your own equation. Instead of choosing from the provided list, you can click on Ink Equation. This feature is particularly useful if you are comfortable with handwriting, or if you have a unique equation that is not available among the standard options. The Ink Equation tool leverages the input capabilities of your device, allowing you to scribble or write out the equation in a natural way using your mouse, stylus, or finger on a touch-enabled screen. Once you have chosen to utilize the Ink Equation feature, begin by drawing your equation within the provided space. While drawing your equation, try to keep your handwriting neat and your strokes clear so that PowerPoint can accurately interpret and convert your handwriting into a digital math equation that looks professional on your slide. Once you are satisfied with your drawn equation, look for the option to confirm your work. This confirmation is achieved by clicking on the Insert button. When you click Insert, the drawn equation is processed and placed onto your slide exactly where you intend it to appear. Throughout this process, each step is designed to ensure that incorporating mathematical notation into your presentation is both straightforward and visually consistent with professional standards. Whether you choose a pre-formatted equation from the variety provided, or decide to create a custom solution through the Ink Equation feature, the method is laid out to give you flexibility, ease of use, and a result that enhances the overall presentation. Once you have inserted your equation, additional editing options may be available within PowerPoint's equation tools. These tools allow you to further adjust the size, style, and positioning of your equation to ensure it fits perfectly with the rest of your slide layout. By carefully following these instructions, you will effectively incorporate mathematical content into your presentation, making it clearer and more engaging for your audience.